Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we have two minimalist sports smartwatch. Okay, we have here on our left the ZL54C Smartwatch, and the other one, it is the F57L Smartwatch, also known as the health and sports smartwatch. And as you can see here, they almost have the same look. Okay, sporty minimalist design. Okay, so let's have a comparison review of these two smartwatches, the ZL54C and the F57L Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this comparison review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. Again, this is the ZL54C Smartwatch, and the other one is the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, so looking at it, they almost have the same look, simple and sporty. Okay, so for the body frame, this one, okay, the ZL54C do have a PC material, and the F57L do have a steel body frame. Okay, looking at it side by side, as you can see here, the other one do have a rounder, okay, edge, while the other one do have a flat body frame. At the back, okay, so PC material. Okay, both do have a PC material, and it has a metal sensor also. The other one, this one, it has a unibody design, while this one, okay, it's a combination of metal and PC material. For the strap, the same flexible silicone strap here with steel buckle. Okay, very comfortable to use and lightweight smartwatch with slim black border. For our ZL54C, as you can see here, okay, it has a 1.83 inch TFT LCD screen display. Okay, while for the F57L, we have a 1.91 inch IPS LCD screen. Okay, so for the weight, so let's check on if which is much lighter. We have a weighing scale here, so let's check. Let's go first with the ZL54C. So we have here 36 grams. Okay, and for the F57L, we have 37 grams, 37 point something, almost 38. Okay, so just see minor difference when it comes to weight. Okay, for the design here, okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, so side by side, rounder, okay, edge, while the other one do have a flat edge. Okay, 2.5D screen display. So let's adjust this one. Check if we have a much lighter screen display so we can see the bezel. Okay, let's see. Seems like we don't have it. Okay, we have it here. Okay, for the black border here, the F57L do have an obvious, okay, slim black border compared to the ZL54C, as you can see here, and with a much wider screen display, 1.91. This one is 1.83. Okay, for the menus, let's check. Okay, so quick settings. So for the ZL54C, the same, we do have a quick settings. Okay, which is better? Okay, what do you think? The bottom part, we have the notifications. On the right side, okay, so we have here the different features. Okay, you can add cards, as you can see here. Blood pressure, which has a much better UI. What do you think? Okay, seems like the ZL54C do have a much better UI. On the other side, the same features that you can see on the right side. Here we have a quick menu. Okay, so different setup. Okay, so for the features here, okay, let's go on the first menus. So we have workouts, activity. Do we have a heart rate? Okay, for the health, we also have a blood pressure here for the ZL54C. Blood oxygen, the same. Exercise, body temperature. Okay, messages, shutter, weather, player. You have relaxation, stopwatch. Also have timer, alarm, music control. What else? Cycle tracking, we also have it here. Find phone, camera, calculator, games, and that's it. Okay, so we have here the F57L, this one do have a much comprehensive health function, as you can see here. Okay, we have body temperature and blood glucose. Here we only have heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, for the sports, let's check. So where's the sports for this one? Exercise. Okay, so we have walking, hiking, cycling, indoor walk. So which has a comprehensive, this one do have a swimming feature, while for the F57L we don't have it here. Okay, baseball, bowling. Seems like the ZL54C do have a much comprehensive sports function. Anyway, it's designed for sports, while the F57L is designed more for health function. Okay, and you can add, see here we do have a limited sports for the F57L. Anyway, it says here we have at least 50 sports function. Okay, so let's check. For example, let's go for the outdoor run. Let's see if there are some changes or difference on the UI. Go. Okay, we have here the time, the steps, the beats per minute. Okay, distance, pace. So I think I like the ZL54C much better when it comes to the UI and function, that is tracking. Okay, stop. Yes. Okay, so let's check on the heart rate. You have the heart rate here. Other one, heart rate, which has a much better animation here in UI. Okay, seems like it has the heart rate for the F57L do have a good UI here. Okay, let's check. Okay, good animation for the ZL54C. We have here almost the same as you can see here. Okay, almost have the same result as you can see. Okay, so that shows that it has a good heart rate monitor. We also have a blood pressure here, blood oxygen. Let's check. We don't have a body temperature here on the ZL54C, I think, as well as the blood sugar monitoring. It's only available in the F57L. 96. So automatic for the F57L once you selected the function. Here on the ZL54C, you still have to activate it to be able to track the data. We have here 96. Let's check for the ZL54C. 98%. Okay, going back. Okay, so that's it for the menu comparison as well as the design of the ZL54C and the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, so let's put it on our wrist so you can see the actual look. Okay, which do you think is better when it comes to design and features? Is it the ZL54C or the F57L Smartwatch? Okay, so just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.